Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and I only have time to just run in, so I thought I would just hit the clearance section and show you that really quick. Because they have some cute shirts that you could wear in the spring on clearance, and they have a lot of the graphic t-shirts here. I like the colors on this one. It's like fluorescent or neon. And this one you could wear like, well, that tank top. It comes with a tank top. But they just put so many things on clearance. And I guess it's in between seasons, and that's why. But here's a Karl Lagerfeld. And it's just $17. I haven't seen a Karl Lagerfeld at Burlington that I can remember. I like these kind of shirts where half is one pattern, the other half is a different color or pattern. I first saw that at Hollister, and now it seems like everybody's doing that. But I think I'm going to be heading out, but be sure to check out my other Burlington shopping videos. And I think I'm going to do a Target haul at the end here so that this video is not so short. Okay, so here's my Target haul that I'm going to throw at the end of my Burlington shopping video. So this is one thing I got. These super cute fake Birkenstocks. They're really lightweight. The brand is Shade and Shore. And these are like a pinkish purplish, and they have flowers. And they had yellow in this pattern, and then they had plain light blue ones, plain white ones, and I think that's all I saw. But I like the flower ones. I thought they were really pretty for spring, so I got these. Then they already had their Easter stuff out, so I got peanut butter eggs. These are super good. You get 6 of them. And I'm going to try these. Skittles gummies. I've never tried these before. But I like Skittles. So they have grape, lemon, green apple, strawberry, and orange. And then I got this conditioner, Pantene. They were sold out completely of Pantene. I don't know if they're doing a rebrand or what, but I don't know. But I ended up getting the Curl Perfection conditioner. My hair is pretty much wavy, but it is kind of curly too, so I thought I would try this out. And then I got this deodorant. I like the clear gel. This is 48 hour. I just realized that. And I like fresh scents like Oceanside. And then I use this conditioner. I have dark, like my hair is highlighted blonde, but my roots are dark. I was born a blonde. And then when I was like 12, my hair, started losing the blonde, like most people who are most people who are born blonde, they don't stay blonde their whole life. So my hair started getting dark, and I would just highlight it. So I don't know if it's something with dark hair, but I don't know. I just have to use Head and Shoulders because otherwise you could see white flecks in my scalp. So maybe I have a dry scalp. But this is my Target haul I wanted to share with you since my Burlington video is so short. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.